This particular poem is a wonderful poem, which is your first poem, or rather the first poem in the syllabus. And this is titled My Mother at 66 by Kamala Das. Kamala Das is uh, one of the most renowned writers hailing from the state of Kerala. She wrote fluently in English and Malayalam as well. And this woman, here speaks about her relationship with her mother. The relationship of a mother and a daughter, or a mother and a child, or a mother and a son, are considered to be the most intimate, close, and beautiful relationship. Uh, and over here, you can find the depth of the relationship, you can find the beauty of the relationship, you can find the concerns and the fear and the pain that comes along with the relationships. So all the things come into play and they are together, they run parallel. uh, in the in the context of this, we find that the poet was going with her mother to the Cochin airport, and her mother was going to see her off. When the poet noticed her mother, she found that she was dozing. Her mouth was open, and she looked as old as was her original age, and the poet feared that her mother might die soon. So, to come out of that feeling, she looked outside. She saw young trees running backwards and happy children coming out of their homes. You know, these scenes symbolize the past when the poet's mother was younger and the poet had less fears of losing her mother. At the same time, I have been intrigued by this idea that how can a person run away from reality? Though you will always find that it is not possible to run away from reality, and here the poet also is unable to run away from reality, because after the airport security check, when the poet you know mm, sees her mother, she sees that her mother's face is pale and wan like the late winter's moon, and the familiar pain, the familiar ache comes back to her. This familiar pain is the result of the familiar fear, the fear of losing our mother, our dear ones, our parents. It becomes familiar because you face it the moment you understand what is death. That's a very young age, and that stays with you. This fear stays with you, and because it stays with you, it becomes familiar, right? And at the end, the poet understands that probably her mother will not be able to, will be able to understand her feelings, her emotions, and that is why she says, "See you soon, Amma," and she smiles. She wanted to hide her fear and sorrow so that her mother doesn't understand that, because mothers can understand many things. What goes on in the minds of the children, the mothers definitely understand that. Uh, Thank you very much for listening to this. God bless.